My name is Mariana Diaz. I'm an architect. The problems I was facing was productivity. So I wasn't productive enough for my businesses. I have actually two businesses, one in architecture and one is as a network marketer for an MLM company, New Skin. So basically, the most important thing for me was the leverage my time, and I wasn't getting that. So when I started my own business as an architect, I thought I was going to have freedom. No, I didn't have that. So now I'm running up a company, traditional company, that is taking me. So I think Business Accelerator has had a very big impact in my professional career, and that's because that allowed me to open my mind and see in a bigger picture. Now I have the tools to implement and get more productive at what I do. So if you are considering to join the Business Accelerator, or it's an idea that you have in mind, my recommendation is yes, do it. It is completely worth it, and you will want even more and more. And you don't need to know that much. I was a bit worried about getting to know everything before I came here, but actually I didn't need to do that. So just feel relaxed, go there and be coachable.